Hello, welcome to DIY is my happy place. I'm Amy, and today we're going to be doing my top 5 gift ideas for the year. You can use these for young and old. They're fast and easy DIY gifts, and they're all using Dollar Tree supplies. So, let's get started. Number 1. My favorite one this year that I made happens to be out of, well, they're not popsicle sticks, they're called craft sticks. And you get them in the crafters corner at the Dollar Tree. And the thing I love about these is you can put them together so fast, so easy, just using basic, simple scissors, glue, marker, and a few embellishments. I did pick up some mesh out of the fabric section in Walmart, but otherwise everything else I got from the Dollar Tree. Now, I came up with this idea because I like to make jewelry. I get the jewelry also from the Dollar Tree, and I make little bracelets, earrings, necklaces, whatever. And I just thought it'd be fun to make little sets. So you have a bracelet, earring, and necklace all in a set, and then have a cute little place to hang those things. And I love it for my little young granddaughters, or I gave some to my nieces, and then I even kept some for myself. And what's great about it is after you get your jewelry made, you can make sets, and you can make it so they all match, or you can have all different colors in there. I just think it's fantastic, very easy, and under $5 for the jewelry and the jewelry holder. Love it. Okay, number 2 on my list is the tumblers. Yes, you get these little tumblers out of the gaming area and toy section in the Dollar Tree. And then I picked up a Dollar Tree jar, or you could also use the jars that you have left over after you've used up candles. And I love to recycle all jars. And I recently saw a post where someone was like, "What do you do with your old jars? I hate to give them away." Throw them away. This is what you do. You make these cute little holders that make a lovely decoration. Now, you just put the tumblers all together. You can add some push pins to give it some sort of extra texture. Then I even added some gems just around. All you do is spray paint it once it's all glued on. It's so fast, so easy. I tried different things with my jars. Sometimes I painted stripes, or I put rubber bands around and then spray painted around there. There's so many different things you can do, and it's all with those fantastic tumblers and jars that you may have thrown away if you didn't have a better idea of what you can do. Throw in some potpourri or some candy or a candle, and you're good to go. Okay, number 3. This one is my favorite all time. I made a makeup station, and I made these for myself and for some friends of mine. Now, I picked up these makeup containers, things that I was going to use to be makeup containers, but I wanted to jazz them up. So I just added some glue to the bottom and then added some glitter. Now, I know this sounds crazy. You think, wait, won't this glitter be popping off all the time? Well, not when you do what I do, which is I actually just added some magnets, put them on the cookie sheet, and then you can add all your things. And the thing that I love about this is you can take your entire tray over to a counter or a sink or something and put your makeup on. And then when you're completely done, you just pick up the entire tray, put it on a shelf, and it's out of the way. And you aren't having to put makeup down and put it back all the time. I have to say, this is such a genius idea. And I picked up all these little bowls and different things right from the Dollar Tree. Sometimes I added a little more gems along the edge, but here's what it looks like when the makeup's all in. Everything's self-contained, easy to use, and best of all, easy to move. Number 4. Oh, I love this one. I made this actually for Valentine's Day, but it also works for Christmas or any holiday. Actually, it's a great gift to give for either him or her, and it's so simple. You just get one of the tins that they have at the Dollar Tree and add some candy. But the key to making this work is using one of my favorite things, and that is plastic balloon straws that you get from the Dollar Tree. If you have those balloon straws, they work great. You just tape up some candy, and they have a lot of fantastic candy around the holidays that you can just tape up, put in there, and it is so fast, so easy. Add some tissue paper, and voila, you have a very fancy looking gift in a very fast way. Okay, number 5. This one cracks me up because it's clothespins. Yes, clothespins. All you have to do is pull them apart, glue them together, and you're going to create a fun, beautiful star. And this will become a gift. It can be either a decoration or it can be a heat pad. I actually made a bunch of these, and I keep them underneath my banana tree in my kitchen, or sometimes I hang them on the wall. I painted each side a different color, so depending on what holiday, if it's around, then I can have the color based on the holiday, or I can have it based on my home color scheme that I'm actually using. This is what it looks like when it's completely done. They're really cute. And for Thanksgiving, we put out all of these on the table, and we could put our casserole dishes right on those, and they wouldn't heat up the table or the tablecloth. And like I say, I made a bunch of them, and I made them different colors on different sides, and they work as the best heat pads, but they also can be a fun gift idea to give to someone. Isn't that brilliant? And they don't take up a lot of space, but they can be a decoration or a useful item. So there you go. My hot pat decoration. Love it. They can be red, white, and blue, pink, orange, green, any color works. Okay, that's my top 5 gift ideas for you. If you want to have the full tutorial, there are links below that give a detailed description of how to do each one of these gift ideas. It's never too late to make a DIY gift. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya again soon.